Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to crop images in MS Excel. If you find this video helpful, then please consider liking and subscribing to the channel. It really helps us a lot. Okay, so let's dive in. Now open Microsoft Excel on your computer. Now let's add an image to it. Click on Insert, click on Pictures, place over cells, this device. Okay, now click on the image, double click on it. Now go over here on right side and click on Crop. Select Crop. Just crop it according to your need, like this. That's it. That's how you can crop images in MS Excel. Thanks for watching.